There are some updates to the Inner Bloom Academy, which I thought I would share here because personally I missed on seeing them or hearing about it. Thank you so much. There's a lady, I'm not going to mention names, but she used my affiliate link to be able to purchase the Inner Bloom Academy. So you've got the option that you can buy the MRR product, or you can just buy the well-being section for a lot less. It's about $97 US dollars. So I didn't realize, because I was getting emails from Inner Bloom and I thought there would be all the updates in those emails, but it wasn't the case. So supposedly the end of last year, because I go on the platform, but I don't go to all the chat history and everything like that. And I turned off notifications because I don't like having loads of notifications. So I thought something as important as an affiliate link changing, we would get an email about. And turns out that the notifications were in the app. So even though I essentially made a sale, I've basically not made any money. So first off, I was really annoyed. Quite frankly, I don't know why you're changing affiliate links without sending emails, as important that. People like me are promoting these products, and if we're promoting them and helping you make money for your business, we expect to be compensated. That's the whole point of having an affiliate program. Now, I was initially, like I said, really, really annoyed about this, but at the same time, I understand why they've changed the affiliate links. They've made it so much easier for people to set up these affiliate links. And another thing is that I really like the platform. And even though I've reached out to the people who run the Inner Bloom Academy, there is no sign that they're going to actually pay me my part of the affiliate commission. And now you might be going, well, why are you still promoting the Inner Bloom Academy? Because it is an amazing platform. And I think if there was continuous sales, I was making continuous sales and not making money, I would be really annoyed. But it is the one sale, and yes, that money would have really helped me out. I just still feel like it's an amazing platform. And I think that's the simple thing. It is such an amazing platform for women. I'm going to keep saying that. So I now have turned on notifications on the Mighty app. Personally, if somebody's bought the MRR course from me, I personally have emailed out to those people to say, hey, look, there is an update. So just be aware of it. I still have a little bit of bitterness about MRR products. So because I don't know if you've heard of the roadmap course. So basically, we've lost access to that. It's basically disappeared. And it's something to be really wary of. Even affiliate, you don't own that product. You have the privilege of basically being able to promote somebody else's business or product with the potential to earn a commission. Now, you should earn the commission, and I know this is a particularly unique situation where the affiliate link has changed. I've now set hopefully up my places, but I could imagine, this is another reason. I think I did a video quite a while ago about making sure to future-proof your business. So for example, if I'm promoting the Inner Bloom MRR course, make sure that you have a short link that goes to, say, your store or something, and then you use that short link in all the places on your social media or your blog. Which means if you have to update your store link or say your affiliate link, all you have to do is update that short link where you've basically done the redirection of that short link to the link, like a redirection. So hopefully I'm explaining myself right. So I have basically gone through my YouTube videos because unfortunately I did use some of the raw affiliate link. I'm not sure why I did. I was normally future-proofing my descriptions to make sure that they were easy to update. And you can actually, I think, do short links in Beacons itself. So if you don't have a blog where you can create redirections, because on WordPress you can create redirections in there. I can't remember if it was a plugin or not, but you definitely can. Otherwise, if you are using Beacons from memory, you can create short links, and those can be, you know, your name / Inner Bloom, right? So if, say, you need to change it from the Thrivecart affiliate link to the new form, then at least you can do that. I would still suggest that you have your own products as well, again, like future-proofing your business. I just feel that sometimes it's easier to make affiliate sales than selling your own digital products, because you are utilizing a reputation. Say, for example, I've made a lot of sales using my Amazon affiliate scheme, and you know, people don't necessarily have to trust me to be able to go and buy products. I don't have to create all those products to make a sale. I just have to promote, say, the Amazon platform. And when I look at Inner Bloom, I don't know any other platforms out there that have this extensive knowledge to help women in business, in life, everything, mental health, all of that sort of stuff. Personally, for me, I would never be able to build a platform like that. I don't have that knowledge. And so this is where affiliate marketing comes in. Now, MRR, you are essentially meant to be kind of owning it, but you don't really. You don't own an MRR product unless you can legally download those files and hold it on your own platform and then sell it through there. Then you don't own that platform. It is not like a digital product. Say, for example, if you buy a PLR digital product and you download that, make sure you read the policy of how you can use that digital product. So if you can download that product, completely edit it yourself, add, take away, do whatever, rename it, restyle it, and make it your own digital product, that is something that you 100% own. And if you want to change the URL to that particular product, you can do. If you want to change that price, as long as it's within the policy, because some policies will say that you cannot sell this product for less than X amount of money. So there might sometimes be a little bit of like that. Otherwise, creating your own full digital product from scratch. It's just something to be aware of. And if you haven't updated your affiliate links and you are selling Inner Bloom and you're using the Thrivecart one, please go ahead and change them to the new one. If you want to know how to do that, log into Inner Bloom. You'll see it right there on the left-hand side, how to get started with promoting Inner Bloom. And just so you know, there are at present 3 different types of affiliate links. So I don't know if they're going to be changing next week or the week after. Again, this is a thing. You don't own the affiliate program or products. So you are at the whim of them, and hopefully they will give enough notifications, but they will not be sending emails out. You will have to go to the platform to get notified on there and be checking it regularly. To be able to sell the product as an affiliate product, I think you do still have to purchase the MRR to be able to basically have the business side of the Inner Bloom Wellbeing Academy. So this isn't something that you can pay the $97 and then promote the platform as an affiliate, as far as I know. I will have to go and double check that maybe, but that was my understanding, that you still needed to buy the MRR side to be able to get the business side to be able to promote the Inner Bloom Wellbeing on its own. I hope this has helped you, and it's still been a learning curve for me. And yeah, maybe let me know in the comments what you think, if I'm I hate to say the word idiot, for still promoting a product like this when I didn't even make a commission selling it. Personally, like I said, I still think it's an amazing platform. So I really kind of still want to support these people who have created an amazing platform. At the end of the day, I'm still working on essentially my own business. And this is why I have my own blog. It's something I own. It's something that will never disappear unless I stop paying for hosting. And it really, really does hammer home when people say that to you. Make sure you're in your own business as well. Don't just rely on other people. Like, for example, if you didn't know, Amazon reduced their rates of how much money you make. So at present, I know it's about 3% commission, which is, it makes you want to cry how small the commission is. So if you are in whatever niche, yeah, definitely maybe diversify a few different affiliate platforms just in case one of them changes, or say, for example, the link closes. And I have had that before. I was affiliate for a company, and their products looked amazing and everything, but they sent out an email and said, look, we're really sorry, we're not doing the affiliate side of their business anymore. And it's understandable, that's just the way it is, and businesses change. So yeah, definitely don't put your eggs all in one basket. And I hope you have found this useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up.